Hi guys, in the last video we saw the use of the hashtag symbol which was to comment out a piece of code. Today we're gonna see the use of basic maths in Python. So if I type print brackets and 5 plus 5, the answer should be 10. As you can see, the output is 10, which is correct. Now in Python, there are various mathematical operations. The very basic ones are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, the asterisk sign for multiplication, and the slash for divide. These four signs are the most basic ones, and we will try out every one of them. So we just saw 5 plus 5. Now let's try subtracting. Print 5 minus 5. The answer should be 0. As you can see, the answer is 0. Now let's try multiplication. 5 asterisk 5. It should be 25. As you can see, 25. Now we are getting the answers for the above two codes also because we have not commented them out. If I comment them out like this and like this, I won't get 10 and 0 as an output, only 25 as you can see. So yeah, I'll remove the codes now. Now let's try dividing 5 divided by 5 like this, and print answers would be 1. As you can see, the answer is 1. So these were the basic mathematical operations. A statement to be connected with my answer, I can put double quotes and say the number of masks I have is. Now if I run this code, I'll be shown an error. Let's try that. As you can see, it says invalid syntax. Now, what does syntax mean? Syntax is the order of how you write things. So, for example, there's invalid syntax over the highlighted part in my code, that is 5. So, what can be wrong with 5? There's nothing wrong with 5. What's wrong is that I have to put a comma just after the quote or before 5. Yeah, that's the syntax. Every time you do a mathematical operation, you have to put a comma just after the quotes. So let's run. As you can see, I don't see a error now, and the answer is 10. The number of masks I have is 10. So this is how you can add a statement to your mathematical operations. Now, what I want you guys to do is try and put mathematical operations in these three remaining pieces of code, and I will see you next time with the topic of variables. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.